audience can see entertainment in what gossip from your mind. Maybe you are talking this year, they must get sense. Those ones say they won't get. Because normal person when be say he talk finish.
You know what he meant to Nigeria to help him borrow money. Now they are so rough.
You know see wetin this guy do.
The is also rough borrow money. Our God president go go get your for am this thing.
And this
you know what
we go get hotel rock.
You know what if you look, they don't use everything, both our refinery, our Nigeria transport, everything, our warehouse, everything. They don't use them borrow money. You know say whole country may get maybe the third richest country for oil, highest oil, but you don't get refinery.
No,
they use am borrow money.
I dey tell you, no be lie.
You know wetin dey happen?
No, na true, na true.
Nigeria here remain now to take borrow money now.
Even so they say BBC say now he don use everything borrow money. Call China to their side. Now he dey in room. As me today talk now, who get oil for a room? He don turn everything to a room.
Everything Nigeria no dey again.
No,
you know say now he say make dem change country. You don see country me dey. You don see where name
country wey no dey exist for many years.
You don see where name.
You don wait say make dem change am.
Brother, you don see where name dey be problem of something.
No na it can't happen guy. So then now no be ordinary name na come be country name. Say na it be our problem.
Like the way they want to pack our billions of trillions of this thing going.
No, say you know many company. You know where these people never really talk. All those are our governor them, presidents them. You know say if they travel, they know they let move things.
Okay, wait. Move forget about the document or the changing of registration of company or contract, all those things.
Okay.
What of the name, like all the good name? I know say Nigeria get bad name.
Yes.
But all the good name like maybe the best African country for musician, the best musician for African, then the best country for footballers, all those names now.
Even wrestling, no.
Where the name won't where the name won't go.
He go die.
We want people they talk say they try make them go front. We dey 50 something.
No, we dey
and this 60 something now for independent.
Country don
we dey say our country. People dey 300 and something. Okay, now they won't come start afresh.
You know what? You know why I don't blame them, eh? You know, say when who they root something, see not stick thing. Anytime when he wake, he do what he like. But when be say, he say he want ban TikTok. What he be name?
Twitter.
He did Twitter, they ban them.
Then you leave that by the.
So then, don't really know what baby say guy here. He say Nigeria. Say waiting Nigeria. That name Nigeria not good. He don't give all reason why he want change am. But say he want come on Nigeria. Enter one name. That name I cannot remember because we not to go school.
We don't need to remember that. The thing I wait you want use.
Now you go remember. I don't
know. You know they me. He say if they change the country name, whether it works out, I know say na them. That nothing they know fit do all those people. Nothing. But person like me, I don't go learn the new national item. No. You know many Koboko collect for assembly line. You don't see like item when.
Repeat am.
We don't sabi we just climb am everything.
But wait to that arise so you go see there like that.
Then how you go dey? They don't change country name. No be you no get it. Okay, but this my
arise go see comot. You know I use they say from primary one from reach one for rent arise na when I dey SS2. Now if you come out when I wan comot.
E good say you are.
Na there you guy you. From primary one no.
Okay now
when I dey start school. Na SS2 I take care of that.
I come go dey learn how to climb up that one.
Imagine for this old age.
Wetin me you dey beg God for? Me give us our freedom.
That freedom because oga bodo dey on that freedom because Nigeria be like confused country now.
No, our freedom go come.
No, you know say Nigeria be like confused country.
Our freedom
because people when they rule us all confused. You know say when confused people dey rule, country go confused. No. But I see me I tell you my brother, their country sharp. You don't think they pay me for inside there? They go leave important things when they go talk about. At least now ETC, electricity dey there, we not get. You dey say our country as e dey, darkness. So they now devil self now to go meeting all the Adam again. No,
If you see road, let me go there, you fly. You go fly laugh for where I don't supposed to like inside water. So we not go. Now before they hear say we should laugh for electric pole, like the
so they don't use electric pole dey waka.
Some community don't use that. They do firewood, they want the pool.
I waka one day my brother for my guy house. Na electric pole na dey take set the hand cloth.
He shock am.
Did they shock me? That's not though. Why so they use that they do firewood dey cook?
They don't use that do firewood.
My God, which country this?
So don't use that do that kind of there's money idiot bridge.
They shock am.
Everything wey dey talk for
Don't carry saw blade tear and take that kind of
but you know say everything wey we dey talk for here na say na there's one idiot na still cause.
Let me go advise Buhari say make
you know say when you be pikin children you go dey reason like children. You say today dey talk now na the spoil of kasa.
He say make dem ban social media. Social media na be the problem of Nigeria.
Ask me that but now when dem never ban am we go use opportunity take talk.
Dem no go fit ban am.
No my brother.
No look.
I don't know when dem go ban am but make I use opportunity talk.
E get some kind things wey dem go fit ban no be like.
No be lie.
Guy better make dem go collect our phone now.
No be lie or dem go ban our phone.
We go buy online data. We go buy online data. We look at what to stop. Dem go fit stop online business.
No no fit even wetin dey talk. Buhari sef bubu we dey see am. No be online dey talk everything.
No for dey see bubu no be when the enter flight dey corner for flight.
You dey see am.
No when I dey see am sometimes I dey see him picture.
Social media na.
You know where I dey see when he go raise hand say he dey travel and when he dey bring hand down say come
but wait but you know say.
You don't know whether na picture we
but wait
post.
I don't understand this guy don already talk am na say our president na photo.
You don't know when na photo we post o.
No.
Let me for dey see our bubu na when he raise hand inside private jet he dey go and when he dey come back he go put him hand down he don come.
So no you know why me I no dey too like talk they don tell us say na photo na we vote.
Since man know that man anything that man talk for a match na rubbish.
But wait o this one wey dey talk na say make dem regulate social media or make dem ban social media okay we no dey see bubu be that now.
Abeg me I no be Nigeria I dey always tell people that thing I no be Nigeria o.
My people you no easy that country.
Nobody be Nigeria even the Buhari sef he say make dem change.
He no be Nigeria too na he say make dem.
We no know whether na Biafra na dem wan change am the name post.
E fit be o because Buhari now say
he say
make dem change name.
Nigeria don tire am.
Say Nigeria sef don corrupt us.
So we no know whether dem wan change am for Biafra.
But you sure say if dem change am then China go still leave dem. There is a still draw the money o.
We no get old China like na we old China.
No na
China no borrow dem. You borrow money for China.
Do I know them? I don't know China.
People they no people but people sign the paper.
You know what
you see money
guy
wey dem borrow dem no give you you go there pay debt make you no sure.
You know what they pay me pass to now? You know what they pay me pass? Whether na minister of information I be na I don't know wetin e be for the country you understand? Say Nigeria they say Nigeria no my brother wait man tell you something they say Nigeria the man dey talk come out you know say whether na agbada I no understand whether that agbada no dey cost abi the agbada if they just go there they give them na use road money take pay for agbada e just come out o he say they say Nigeria get money he say they no get any money o okay bring suggestion as wise man he say no need to borrow you see wise man suggestion he say na to borrow money make dem borrow again.
That's wetin you wan take borrow na wetin remain for Nigeria.
No when dem wan take borrow make dem use aso rock now then na if dem use aso rock now we go get hotel rock no hotel rock.
We go launch Buhari any president wey come we go find 5-star hotel put am for the 4 years.
You know say that rock na name so we go put am hotel rock because na name be that you understand. Okay this one come out now wetin be name Linus everybody know am Linus.
Lie.
He use lie dey so gan.
No that man lie dey generation. Yeah, fear that man and when that man lie give the graphic.
My brother.
Why they the graphic say daddy why are they calling you Lai Muhammad? Instead of you to tell he graphic the truth. Is it lie for now?
I tell you. So the man come out now. Make they see all those smell they know wetin they dey do. He come out they say because they talk say e dey trend for social media say Nigeria no get road. Now he go find where better road dey.
That place no be Nigeria o.
That place no be Nigeria. He come do video. He say where be here? They say Nigeria no good where be here?
You see Nigeria signboard for them.
I don't see anything.
Why you come say na Nigeria?
Na scam.
No be private jet those guys dey travel.
Na scam. You know say one big man. Okay, na now I even remember. You see wetin happen for Nigeria.
Not too
They
many.
say Ibori thief money comot. Say they don recover the money.
Where?
They don give Okowa. Say they don give Okowa the money. Okowa say he never see money. Wetin that thing no be fake alert. Okay, EFCC now e dey leave them o.
Who you catch?
Nobody
They wire fake alert. They don't wire fake alert.
You see wisdom.
They don't wire fake alert. Fake alert. They like
Okay.
they like Okowa fake alert.
Who EFCC dey find now?
Leave them. They don't
Till today now we no hear the matter again guy.
Now don't pass now.
They lock up the matter.
Matter now they go find one place put fire still like that. But
As me too dey talk now, they look at am 2 minutes time. They go say we do money. We dey find us. Only ones na we dey find.
they don't define Boko Haram.
Ah
Boko Haram they don't
God.
define them.
You know see when they dey go anywhere. Na this one I don watch now. Today say Nigeria sef get people wey be say as we get instrument to fight. See when we dey talk make dem end when the Yoruba nation say dem wan go. You see the kind of nation wey dem carry come outside side. The dog. You see the kind of motor new ones. Na dey bring come out for always people wey dey protest o.
Weapon is in Nigeria now.
Only people wey dey protest o. Na there I know say Ogun smell bad.
But weapon no dey to go fight Boko Haram.
Well,
They will give them 80 AK-47.
Boko Haram.
All those kakapo god.
Even you never talk kidnappers,
80.
you don Boko Haram. See kidnappers, see me see you, they never fit go meet them.
They will give police all of all those 80 AK-47.
Sometimes they go give them
You
wood.
know wetin they do for NSAS?
Na sometimes they go give them wood.
The gun wey dem dey shoot e dey from 40 kilometers come keep person for Lekki toll gate. We no know where dem dey shoot.
But make me tell you something, whether they like it or not, that the day when they kill innocent protesters for Lekki toll gate, when all those, I no wan call them judge because I no dey curse, as a born again we no need to curse.
No, we no need to
Because we don we be born again, you understand. But wetin dey pay me pass, wetin go still do them go do them, not that we go do them, and God go do them.
No, one day the top people go go there.
They come out, they say nothing happen for Lekki toll gate.
But we
Say
dey-
Lekki toll gate dey okay, say nothing happen. All the old things when Nigeria dey write, you know they reach top, then they block am for road. Because why? They know wetin they do. But we go leave everything to God o. You understand? Because this life, my brother, everything na God get power. You understand? Because God dey, na just that na people dey use am this say God no dey. But thank God say God no be ogun wey be say he go just, no dey get mercy.
God no go
You
shame
understand?
us.
So
God must give
you
us
no go
mercy.
shame
God must give
on.
us
So maybe what to do now, we don give them sense. Who go still learn go learn. You know say not everybody go gree learn. You understand? And na so e be. This word of a thing be like poison. When somebody don tell you something, you don accord to the word. For you to change again go hard. Because na wetin the person no be juju. The person do know. You don already believe the person. You don take the person as overall everything wey you talk na truth. You understand? But we no get another thing to talk. Na only God go save the country. So my people for here una see as e dey go. So abeg una no forget na Skycity Entertainment, you know, and as dey go. Make you tell them your name now, make them know who dey with
Sonny
us.
Bobo.
Tell God, you dey hear am, Sonny Bobo. Na our show we dey so. Na talk your mind entertainment, pidgin word gossip. So we say make we talk our mind, make we still hear our view concern Nigeria. So abeg, una subscribe for us. Una know as e dey be, share the video, make some people when be say they never get send.